Welcome back to Stack Tracks Fitness and our series on the ultimate guide to fitness success. Today in this video, we're going to discuss how reps, sets, and rest can be a huge difference in your results. If you don't know me, my name is Anthony. I'm a strength and conditioning coach, and with my wife, Lindsay, we have over 30 years collectively in the health and fitness industry. We help fitness enthusiasts, racers, and runners just like you train smarter, not harder, with less burnout, so you can maximize your performance in fitness, fuel, and life. In this series, we're taking out all the BS and providing you with a straightforward, to-the-point breakdown of the ultimate training guide that is based on the art and science of thousands of hours of fitness success. And if you haven't already, make sure you download the ultimate training guide to follow along. The link is in the description below. Have you ever wondered what the best way to structure your sets and reps in a workout program should be? Well, look no further. These charts showcase the science-based breakdown of how sets and reps can be systematically placed into your workout regimen to maximize results. In each one of these graphs, it highlights the recommended reps and set ranges based on the phase you may be in or the goal you want to achieve. Whether it's strength, power, endurance, explosiveness, or if you're peaking. In addition, you'll notice the recommended rest and recovery times between sets based on the duration of the drill or exercise. Now, I understand that these variables can be very broad depending on your lifestyle, ability, and past or even current training programming. However, unless you are extremely specific on a goal, such as lifting a specific amount or desiring specific power outputs, we have found in our experience, most clients and programs will see the best results when they use a work-rest ratio of 1-to-1 for strength movements and or a 3-to-1 ratio for high-intensity working bouts. Of course, due to personal lifestyle and fitness age, these recommendations may be hard to follow perfectly. So remember, every body is different. It's important to listen to yours. Use these guidelines as a starting point and adjust as needed. Now, let's get to work and reach those fitness goals. And if you haven't, click the link in the description below to download the ultimate training guide and make sure you subscribe and hit that like bell so you'll be notified when the next chapter is released. Watch the other chapters of this series and follow along with the guide. It is here where we break down each chart, just like we did here in detail, which will help set you up for your ultimate health and fitness success.